Good evening. Today is August 31st, 2020, Monday. Let's take a look at the market. We're looking at a weekly option tab here for the day ending in August 31st. And I just wanted you to look at this trade here. Um, I got into it just at the before the about 10 minutes before the close and see how the power of options can really work for you. And just literally under 10 minutes before closing, I got into a position here about for 8 cents, and I was like, man, I'm going to lose out on this position, and it just completely went ripped the ripped up. I, I got out the trade with about I just doubled my profit, but this shows you how profitable you can be trading options, and it's very volatile as well, and it can go against you. You always have to look at your how much you want to lose, your risk tolerance as well. You always have to set your target, how much you want to lose, and you're able to risk in your portfolio and your risk in your also in your trading amount that you want to lose. Always you want to keep that in the to the minimum. I try to keep it at 10%, but others try to keep it at 2%. But I just try to keep my room my air my room for error. 2 plus 2 negative. You know, 10% for me. But overall, today was basically an update for the market. Down for the Dow Jones Industrial, and the SPY was very up and down, choppy. Didn't have a particular direction. And looking forward to tomorrow, towards the same thing. We don't have any news announcements. We'll just let the market do what it does. You want to always minimize your losses and let those winners run, but also take profits when you're able to. Let's take a look at, just like I was mentioning last week about Apple. Apple was getting split, the 4-to-1 split, and even though they split, it's still rip higher. This is a complete animal, just to say the least. And for those who are uh, ill-advised, those who try to short it into today, they got, they really got hurt today. Their accounts got hurt today. You always gotta look at, these guys have an unlimited amount of money. And just a little tangent, a lot of these banks, these brokerages have access to unlimited amount of money. Even when you think that the this particular stock symbol should go down with all what's going on. You have 20% unemployment out there. People um, are being foreclosed upon. People can't pay their rent and mortgages, but still you have stocks moving to all-time highs. You just got to go with the big boys, and they tell you where to go, and you got to go with them. Because you have a $500 account or $10,000 account or $50,000 account, it doesn't matter. You have to go with the big boys. They have billions of trillions of dollars, no matter, and they can get even more. I've learned this the hard way. So it's just one thing I just wanted to pass along to you guys. Also, take a look at Tesla. Tesla was also a phenomenal performer today. It just kept going higher and higher and higher and higher. It was non-stop today. So this take a look at it, as face value. A lot of this time you try to put rationale to it. There's no rationale in this market. The quote of irrational exuberance matches this market. I mean, completely. It doesn't make sense. Just go with it. Don't try to challenge it because you will get crushed. You know, eventually it'll come back. They have to come back down. But not at your time. You just have to go with the market. You have to go with the big boys. Whenever they say the market will go up, it will go up. When it will go down, it'll go down. Just look at this. Come on, look at this. It is. I mean, it's this. This is a definition of parabolic. Completely nonsense. So you just have to move with those who are really moving the market, and those are large brokerage accounts, those banks that are moving markets. You just got to go with them. Do not try to come in and say you're going to, you know what the market's going to do next. Just go with go with what the market is giving you, and ink out whatever profits it wants to give you. So just a little message I wanted to pass along to you guys. Tesla was a beast today, and I think, and even after hours, it's above. It's about $15 above what the all-time high of this screen here. So don't try to short. Don't try to become a hero here. You know what? Because you'll lose you'll hurt your bank account and your trading account trying to short or buy puts to this market. Just follow along. So um, sorry to let you guys go. Hopefully, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and trade safe, guys.